What's up, fam? Welcome to your 5-minute crypto update. If you want to know why there is something crazy happening with crypto right now, 3 nights in a row around 3 a.m. we have dumped from 25K Bitcoin all the way back down. We actually done it 4 times. Look at this. Same time at freaking like 3 a.m. Bitcoin has dumped, has tried to go over 25K and then has dumped. Something weird is happening in the market. So if you want to know my conspiracy theory for that, I'm just kidding. I don't really have a theory. Watch the video. Watch the video if you want to know all the events for this week that are happening that could affect the price of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that stuff. And I want to talk about just the bears. I think the bears are too excited right here. I think everyone is so bearish. I think everyone's like, oh my gosh, we went down $1,000. Last night, everyone, you know, there was barely any celebration on my timeline. Like we went to 25K. Everyone's sitting on the sideline, I think. I don't think anyone actually bought any crypto. Did you buy any crypto? Smash the like button if you bought some crypto. But I just don't. I think people hate this rally. I think people want this to fail. And so people are trying to short every single move. And so that's why I think this is happening in the middle of the night, is because, you know, bulls are stronger right now. The bulls are winning this race. And the bulls are pushing the price up during the day because it's bullish, right? It's bullish. And then they go to sleep at night. And these dirty bears, they push it down in the middle of the night because they're dirty, sleazy bears, and that's how they get their shorts filled. So they're just shorting in the middle of the night. But eventually, I think they're going to get wrecked doing this. I'm getting rid of these green dots. I really just don't. I don't think it's over. We really think that 25K was the top for this little bear market rally. Everyone keeps saying bear market rally. That's another thing. All right, hold on a second. We think that $2,000 was the top. Ethereum's done. The biggest event in Ethereum history is coming in September, and it's done. $2,000. We're going back down. We're going to Hades. It's over. The stock market is also done. It's over. We're done. I don't buy it. I think everyone is so bearish. It's unbelievable. I have never seen my timeline this bearish. Like, if you just go scroll on Twitter, it's like everyone's like, "Ah, we're going to die. Ah." Can someone comment or smash a like button if you've seen that on Twitter, right? We're going back to 15K. I don't believe it. I just don't. I know I'm ranting right now, but I think we're going to see 30K Bitcoin, 28, 30K Bitcoin before this is over, before this rally is over. Maybe 40. I mean, there's no real what's the bear case? The bear case is that stocks might go down, okay? If stocks go down, crypto will go down. It's a bear market rally. How many times in history, though, guys, have you seen everyone say the same thing and it be correct? A good example is last year, right? Last year, everyone was saying Bitcoin to 200,000, including me. I was guilty of this as well. I apologize. But everyone was saying stock to flow, 200K Bitcoin, 100K Bitcoin, laser eyes, right? How did that work out? Okay, now everyone and their mother is saying this is just a bear market rally. It's just a bear market rally. It's going to go back down to zero. Everyone is so right. No, the masses are never right, okay? And so I think this is going to turn so bullish. Like, I could be wrong. Don't trade on this information. I might just be totally biased. I don't know. But I just think it's going to keep going up, and people are going to eventually, in their heads, they're going to be like, shoot, maybe this is a bull market. Maybe it's a bull market. And that's when we go back down. I don't think that it tops out when I've never seen so much panic in my life on my timeline. This is not when markets top out. We didn't top out. Bitcoin did not top out at 69,000 when everyone was like panicking. They were euphoric. They were dancing on the table. They were buying Lamborghinis, okay? But now everyone's like, we're topping out. Ah! Everyone's crying. That's not how markets top out, okay? Anyway, rant over. That was a 3-minute rant. I apologize. Here's what's coming up this week, okay? We have the CPI data is not till September. The FOMC meeting is not till the end of September. So what's going to actually affect the price of crypto? We have Jackson Hole the end of August, okay? But before that, we have the U.S. dollar vulnerable to less hawkish FOMC minutes. So we have like a release. Everything's about the money printer, as you know if you've been watching this channel. Everything, okay? And so we have the release of the minutes, which if you're on any boards, okay, it's literally just someone who takes notes at a really stuffy meeting of old people. Okay, so you go to this meeting with a bunch of old people, and someone takes notes. and then they release those minutes and the market freaks out. That's what's going to happen on Wednesday, okay? And in my opinion, none of this stuff is going to be bearish. And here's why. Because the Fed has said specifically that they are data dependent. They are going to decide whether the money printer goes burr or whether the money printer does not go burr based on the data. And guess what? We had more data today. It's the worst manufacturing data in history, the second worst in history, okay? Completely horrible. It means that there is no demand. It means that there is a recession. The recession is already here. The recession is already here. So what I've been saying on Twitter, guys, is that like this is not going to happen. Everyone's like, the Fed is going to keep hiking rates. They're going to keep crushing the markets. They're just going to make sure everything goes to zero. No, they're not, okay? There's an election in November. There's an election in November. It's already a recession, okay? They're going to be hiking rates, slowing down the money printer into a recession and an election? I don't think so. I think these people are sissies. I think that these old people that sit around the table, they do not want to break the economy and send stocks to zero. They want money printer to go burr too. At the end of the day, that's what they want. That's what they need for everything to stay alive, okay? And so I don't buy it. I know I'm ranting in this video, guys, but when has the majority been right? When has that ever happened? The majority right now is like, short everything, short it all, just keep shorting it, Bitcoin's going to zero. I don't see it. I don't see it. I think we're going to go up higher. I think we're going to tap 28K. I think we're going to tap 30K. I think Ethereum is going to make a crazy run in September. Right now, I think Bitcoin is a better play, though. Okay, I actually bought some Bitcoin yesterday around 24K, a little bit higher around this line right here. I was like pretty excited because I bought it here. It went all the way up to 25K. Then it just nuked back down. So that was fun. But as you guys know, I've been using this amazing indicator, this Trading Alpha indicator. It is linked below. Make sure you guys go check it out because it's freaking awesome. Like it literally shows you like strong buy. It literally just says like you buy, you see a couple green dots, you buy. You see a couple red dots, you sell. I mean, it's not that hard and it works on all time frames. Like you can start to predict what's going to happen. Like red dots here on the 15-minute. Oh, look, the red dots are not as consistent now. Oh, so I can literally just look at this, for example. I know this video is random, but I'm just trying to help you guys. Oh, the red dots are disappearing on the 15-minute chart. So it looks like Bitcoin might be bottoming out here. Oh, and also the stock market is getting reversal signals. It's getting a green dot here on the 15-minute chart. And so let's say that we get another green dot in the next 15 minutes, and then it starts to trickle over to the 30-minute chart. And we get a green dot on the 30-minute stock market chart. And we get a green dot on the 30-minute Bitcoin chart. Maybe we can go long. And I bet money we just race back up to 25K because whenever people short and they're wrong, it just adds fuel to the fire. And I think people are wrong here. I really do. I think we're going higher. I'm just holding. I have a trading strategy. If you guys want to see it, it's in the Discord. You just go buy one of these NFTs. It's amazing. And I literally don't lose money on trades. You're probably like, Kale, that's impossible. No, like I literally don't lose money because I have risk management in place. I have a strategy in place where I will literally never lose money on a trade. Okay, so if you want to see that strategy, go check it out. Lots of links, FTX, Ledger, Trezor, Indicator, they're all below. Check those out. Is there anything else I wanted to say? I mean, overall, I'm just ranting in this video, guys, because you're going to have to decide over the next couple weeks here, like, which direction I mean, maybe you can wait and see how things play out this week because there's a lot of events this week, but you're going to have to decide, I guess, for yourself. Is that the top for Ethereum? Like, it really is going to come down to, like, Ethereum, I think. Well, it's the stock market and Ethereum. Like, the stock market is not done, I don't think. I really don't. I think the bulls are just too strong. So let's assume that stocks stay. The stocks are harder to predict, but let's assume stocks stay bullish because of what I said here. The Fed is not going to hike into a recession. The Fed is going to keep the money printer on. Everyone's doing the same thing with stocks as they are with crypto. They're trying to short the top, and they don't know where the top is, so they're adding fuel to the fire, right? So getting stocks out of the equation for a second. If we just think about Ethereum, right, just logically, like, was $2,000 enough of a pump, enough of a juicy thing before the Ethereum merge? I don't think so. I think there are more degens out there. Let me know in the comments if you're a degen, but I think the degens are going to come out to play again. You know, remember the people last year who were running Ethereum up to 5K, who were calling for Bitcoin 200K? You know, these are people like me, people that are near and dear to my heart. Do I think that 2K, think about $2,000 for Ethereum. That's pretty cheap. We all know that this is headed to 10K long term, right? We do. Everyone knows this. Do we really think that the biggest event in Ethereum history is going to be topped out at 2K? It's hard for me to say that. And everyone and all the bears are out here so excited. Send it back to 900. I'm like, how are you excited? What are you excited about? If you're right, cool. You made 50, you might make some money, sure. But long term, you're done. You're toast. There is no way that the Fed can stop printing money long term. We all know this. I said it right here. I've never seen anyone more excited than the people that short Bitcoin, that short Ethereum. What are you guys so excited about? You're picking up pennies in front of a steamroller. You literally are. We know this is headed to 100K Bitcoin. We know this is headed to 10K Ethereum. It's not just like, oh, I believe in crypto. It's headed to higher prices. No. The government has to print money, or else we will go bankrupt as a country. Do I need to say it slower for you people? We will go bankrupt as a country. Okay, I'll say it with my Trump voice. We will go bankrupt as a country. We need to print billions and billions and billions. We do. And that means that Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to go up long term. So short term, sure, maybe you make a couple bucks. But long term, this is why I don't short, guys. I cannot short Ethereum and Bitcoin because I won't sleep at night. Because I know over the course of, if I forget about my position or something happens, it's going to get liquidated for sure. But if I just buy spot Bitcoin at the right time, if I buy spot Ethereum at the right time, if I buy some altcoins, Solana, Matic, I bought some of these the other day, I think we're going higher. And I have no risk because I'll just hold these positions until I'm correct. So that's what I got. I'm ranting today. I hope you enjoyed this rant. Normally my videos are 5 minutes, but I just thought I would go off today. Let me know. Smash the like button. Share this with someone if you liked it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.